It's been a very exciting time. It's been a challenging time, but we were very lucky to be able to sponsor 13 projects within the communities that will deal with education, with culture and social inclusion. The projects are based across Wales. They're based within Cylchoedd Meithrin, they're in community groups, community centres, scientific centres, and therefore we try to provide support and services to the people that need within communities. It's a key partnership because you've got to buy the tickets from Loteri Cymru online, and therefore all those proceeds, so 20% of those proceeds come to Hanfod Cymru to distribute to community groups across Wales. Well, we're hoping that we can sponsor more projects within communities, but not only that, target new groups as well, you know, choirs, bands, community centres, as I said, and education and culture in particular. And therefore it's quite an exciting time. Obviously, the bucket won't be big enough to sponsor every project, but we will do our best to sponsor projects across Wales.